Are you tired of writing content that never ranks? Learn how to optimize your text in under 3 minutes with SEMrush's SEO Writing Assistant. First, I'll show you how to access the tool. Then we'll analyze your text and fix issues step by step. Start by going to your SEMrush folders. Then, click on the highlighted area to proceed. Now click on the next highlight. Click on the highlighted element once more. Next, click on SEO Writing Assistant to open the tool. Then click on Analyze My Text to start the analysis. Now click on SEO Writing Assistant again. Click on Highlight Issues to see what needs improvement. Then click on the highlighted area to view details. Click on the next highlight to continue. Finally, click on Keywords to explore keyword suggestions. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.